I'll start off this video by just saying I've got a Citroen relay van. I'll just insert some footage here, and you'll see the gutter that I've added on the side of it. The gutter, as you can see, it blends in quite well. It only protrudes from the van by about 10 or 12 mil, something like that, somewhere between there, depending on how thick a bead of sealant you run down the back of it. I tried to find a gutter for a long time, one that was low profile, decent price, just really difficult to get a hold of. In the end, what I've done is I've used this. So here's the gutter channel itself. I've placed bead of sealant down the back. There's the actual channel the water runs in, and I've just bonded this on. I ended up making this myself, and it was really easy and cheap to do. All I did was get hold of some contract trim. This is just tile edging. So this is what you put up against the edge of tiles on the edge, just to make a kitchen look really nice. I think it cost about £20. It cut quite well with an angle grinder, although it did leave a bit of a burr, but I just filed that off. It's only an hour, so it's really easy to work with. And all I've done, if that's the trim, is I've cut as close to this bottom line as I possibly could all the way along. Hold up my piece there, you can see where it comes from. As I say, super simple, super easy, and thanks to having a silver van, this is actually, I just used it without any kind of paint. You can get it in a mixture of colours. You can get it in black, polished, which is what this is, or you can get it in brushed. If I was to have a different colour van and I want to paint my gutter, I'd probably go for the brushed. I think it'll take paint better, it'll be a nice keyed surface. But that's it, super simple. So get yourself some tile trim, cut off that back edge, bead of sealant, boosh, straight onto the side of the van. I'll just show you the gutter again now you've seen it's made on the van. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Let me know if you want to know any more about how that van or if I've done anything. Cheers, bye.